Welcome to Explained for Everyone. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of Formula One. Formula One, often called F1, is one of the most prestigious and exciting racing series in the world. It features the fastest, most technologically advanced cars driven by the best drivers on the planet. These races take place on circuits all around the globe, from the streets of Monaco to the deserts of Bahrain. Each race, known as a Grand Prix, is a test of speed, strategy, and endurance. Teams and drivers compete not just for victory in individual races, but for the ultimate prize, the World Championship. So, buckle up as we explore the history, technology, and sheer excitement that make Formula One a truly unique sport. At the heart of Formula One are the cars themselves. These machines are marvels of engineering designed to be incredibly fast and agile. They have powerful engines that can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The aerodynamics of these cars are meticulously crafted to ensure they can handle sharp turns and maintain stability on the track. Each component, from the tires to the chassis, is optimized for peak performance. The technology behind these cars is constantly evolving, with teams investing millions in research and development. The drivers too play a crucial role, as they must have the skill and precision to control these high-speed beasts. In essence, Formula One cars represent the pinnacle of automotive innovation and human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on four wheels. Formula One races take place on purpose-built tracks called circuits. These circuits have twists, turns, and straightaways that challenge the driver's skill and the car's performance. During a high-stakes Formula One race, teams meticulously strategize to maximize their speed and efficiency on the track. One of the most critical elements of this strategy is the pit stop. These brief but intense moments can make or break a race. Teams make pit stops to change tires, refuel if allowed, and make crucial adjustments to the car, all in a matter of seconds. The precision and coordination required are astounding. Each team member has a specific role, from the tire changers to the jack operators, and even the lollipop man who signals the driver. The choreography is akin to a well-rehearsed dance, where every millisecond counts. A successful pit stop can gain precious seconds, while a mistake can cost valuable positions. This is the strategy of pit stops in Formula One racing. Fans from around the world gather to watch Formula One races live or on TV. The atmosphere is electric, with roaring engines, cheering crowds, and intense competition. Behind every successful Formula One driver is a dedicated team of engineers, mechanics, and strategists. They work together to fine-tune the car, analyze data, and make split-second decisions during races. At the end of each race, the top three drivers stand on the podium. They celebrate with champagne and receive trophies for their outstanding performance. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Explained for Everyone content. See you next time.